I'm Sir Dinosaur from Planet X, and I'm learning all about Earth since I just moved here. Some things about this place are kind of odd, so I'm going to talk about some weird Earth facts. So, in the United States, there's this place called California, and in California, there's a place called Death Valley, and it's really hot there, like really, really hot. Sometimes over 100 degrees every day. Also, Death Valley is the driest place in North America. Apparently, North America has the United States and Canada and Mexico and Greenland and the Bahamas and Jamaica and a lot of other countries too. Since Death Valley is the driest place in North America, I guess if you try to look around and find a watering hole, the whole place would be like, no. Also, Death Valley is the lowest place in North America too. So if you're doing the limbo and they're like, how low can you go? Death Valley is like, I win. Anyway, in Death Valley, there's this place called the Racetrack Playa. Apparently, playa means a dry lake bed, so like a lake where all the water said okay bye. Or playa means beach in Spanish, which is totally different. So in Racetrack Playa, there are these rocks called the sailing stones. They're called that because these sailing stones are a bunch of rocks that seem to move by themselves. Some of these rocks are really small, like a couple ounces, and some are really big, like hundreds of pounds. Apparently, no one's ever seen the rocks move, but they have trails behind them like tracks, and they're not always in the same place, so these rocks seem like they move around. I wondered, are these rocks alive? Like, what if the rocks secretly had a bunch of tiny legs, like a centipede or something? But no, maybe they just scoot around on their butts. Could a rock have a butt? Some of the bigger rocks have trails that are 1,500 feet long. That's a lot of butt scooting. However, in 2014, some scientists figured out a possible explanation. They did a study and they said there was a little rain and it made some ice that thawed out because it's really hot in Death Valley. And then there was a wind, so that moved the rocks along the ice and stuff. But they're not 100% sure about that, so I like to think the rocks move by using itty bitty legs or scooting around on their butts. That's more fun.